get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the next practice set of the quadratic equations. Student, already we have to discuss about the factorization method. Now the second one is the completing square method. Now in this there is one rule to solve this example. Now when we use the completing square method, student, if you cannot find out the factors of the last term, at that time we use the completing square method and formula method. But in this exercise we have to discuss about only the completing square method. Now this one is solutions of quadratic equation by completing square method. Student, we take one example to understand this completing square method. Now suppose that I have to take one example which is in our book. This one is, suppose that x square plus 10x plus 2 is equals to 0. Student, this is the quadratic equation because degree is 2 here. Now look at the constant term c. This is coefficient a into c is plus 2. We cannot find out the factors of this plus 2 which having addition is 10. So we use the completing square method. Now for this we have to find out the third term. In this case we have to find out the third term which is the completing square method. Which is the completing square, means that you have to take here, suppose that this is x square plus 10x and the third term we have to take as suppose k. We have to find out this one is, so comparing this with x plus any another variable is suppose that x plus y square. Then this is x square plus 10x plus k is equals to x square plus twice xy plus y square. By comparing both sides, we get here x square is equals to x square, 10x is equals to twice xy. How to come here? Look carefully. 10x means that middle term is middle term, and k is equals to how much? Y square. From this we can find out the value of y. How? Transpose this, we get that 10x upon 2x is equals to y. This x get cancelled, means that 5 is equals to y. When we put this value into this, k is equals to 5 square, means that k is equals to how much? 25. Means that here is x square plus 10x plus 25 is a completing square. Means that this is a quadratic equation. We can find this solution by using factorization methods also. Now student, we have to use this plus 25 for the completing square of this example. So you have to write this equation is quadratic equation. Now you have to write this one is x square plus 10x plus 25 and minus 25 plus 2 is equals to 0. We have to split this such as plus and minus, mean that like a 0. This equation is not changes when we add and subtract these values. So this is the square of one bracket. How to find out? Taking the square root of the first term, give the sign of middle term, then take the square root of last term also. This is the square of this number. Then minus this value becomes 23 is equals to 0. Then we write this one is x plus 5 bracket square minus in bracket root of 23 square is equals to 0. Means that this is one identity, a square minus b square. You can solve by using this identity. Means that x plus 5 plus root of 23, another bracket x plus 5 minus root of 23 is equals to 0. Means that if the product of two term is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. We have to see it in first exercise, earlier exercise. Means that we cannot add in this one is equals to 0, or x plus 5 minus root 23 is equals to 0. Transpose these two values to another side, means that x is equals to minus 5 minus root of 23, or x is equals to minus 5 plus root of 23. This is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Means that x is equals to, we take also this minus in bracket 5 plus root of 23, or x is equals to minus in bracket 5 minus root of 23. this is our solution of this quadratic equation by using completing square method. स्टुडंट इथे फक्त लक्षात घेण्याचं असं आहे की इथे ही जी इक्वेशन आहे ही आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने सॉल्व्ह करू शकत नाही, म्हणून आपण याला कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड किंवा फॉर्म्युला मेथड वापरला जाते. पण या एक्सरसाइज मध्ये आपल्याला काय बघायचं आहे की कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड बघायची, म्हणून आपल्याला या लास्ट टर्मचे फॅक्टर्स पडत नाही, म्हणून आपण हा रूल वापरणार आहे. इथे काय करायचं, हे जे काही आपल्याला थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करायचं असतं, मग थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करण्यासाठी समजा कॉन्स्टंट टर्म आहे तर हा x² + 10x घेतला आपण आणि k आपण थर्ड टर्म मानला. याचे कंपॅरिझन हा एक क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन होणार आहे, म्हणून एक आयडेंटिटी म्हणजे दिस इज कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर असणार आहे एक, म्हणून तो आपण काय मानला x + y ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मानला. इथे तुम्ही काही पण घेऊ शकता, x + a बुक मध्ये घेतलेले, मी घेतले x + y ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आणि मग नंतर दोघांचे पण याचा स्क्वेअर केला आयडेंटिटी a + b ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, याचा स्क्वेअर केल्यानंतर दोघांची कंपॅरिझन केली, त्यावरून k ची पण व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळाली ती 25. ही 25 व्हॅल्यू जर आपण त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये ह्या ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन मध्ये ऍड केली आणि सबट्रॅक्ट केली तर तिथे कोणताही चेंज होत नाही, म्हणून त्यामध्ये आपल्याला हे असं का करायचं की आपल्याला परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर फाइंड करायचा असतो, म्हणून आपल्याला +25 आणि -25 मध्ये आपण काय केलं ऍड केलं, कारण k ची व्हॅल्यू ती कॉन्स्टंट टर्म आपण घेतला आणि त्यानंतर इक्वेशन आपण काय केलं बाय फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने पुढे सॉल्व्ह केलं. Can you understand this? Okay, let's see the questions of the practice set 2.3. Okay, let's see the practice set 2.3. The question is that solve the following quadratic equations by completing square method. The first example is x² + x - 20 = 0. We have to solve this example by using completing square method. For this, the solution is here is now if we take as x² + x + k is equals to any another value, this is the perfect square of this number. Suppose we have to find out here third term for this completing square method, means that k, then this is x² + x + k and this square of this one is x² + twice xy + y² by using the identity a + b bracket square. Then comparing both sides we get now x² is x², x is twice xy and k is equals to y². Now transpose this twice x to here, we get that convert as in denominator is equals to y, x get cancel, mean that 1/2 is equals to y, mean that y is equals to 1/2. And the value of k is equals to y², mean that 1/2 bracket square is equals to 1/4. Student, we write here therefore this equation x² + x + k is 1/4 is a perfect square trinomial, because here is 3 terms are present, so it is trinomial. Then we have to add this 1/4 and subtract 1/4 into this equation. Then we get x² + x - 20 is equals to 0 becomes x² + x + 1/4 - 1/4 - 20 is equals to 0. There is no change in this equation when we adding and subtracting this +1/4 and -1/4. Then student, now these first 3 terms are the square of one number. How to find out here? In bracket, first taking the square root of the first term, means that x gives the sign of the middle term is plus, and taking the square root of the last term also, means that 1/2 square, means that this is the square of this bracket, x + 1/2 bracket square. Here I have taken minus sign common. Here is 1/4 minus 1/4. Here is -20, so I have to write here plus sign, because minus plus minus is equals to how much? 0. Then write this as it is 1/2 bracket square minus this LCM is 4, then 1 as it is, and 20 into 4 is 80 is equal equals to 0. Means that this is x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square minus this addition becomes 81 upon 4 is equals to 0. This is the square of one number minus this is 9 upon 2 bracket square. Student, this is the identity a square minus b square. The identity is that a plus b minus into a minus b. Means that here we write here x plus 1 upon 2 plus 9 upon 2 another bracket x plus 1 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2 is equals to 0. We know that if the product of two term is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. So I have to write here therefore x plus 1 upon 2 plus 9 upon 2 is equals to 0 or x plus 1 upon 2 minus 9 upon 2 is equals to 0. Then I am taking its LCM is such that LCM is 2. Adding its numerator means that 10 upon 2 is equals to 0. Or here is x plus LCM is 2. We have to subtract here means that minus 8 upon 0. Then x plus 5 is equals to 0. We have to simplification here. Here is minus 4 is equals to 0. Then transpose this to this another side. X is equals to minus 5 or x is equals to plus 4. Student, this is the solution of the given equation by using completing square method. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer minus 5 and 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this question? Okay, let's see the next question. Let's see the next question. Second question is x square plus twice x minus 5 is equal to 0. Student, look here. For solving this completing square method, always convert the coefficient of x square as 1. In this example, also the coefficient is 1. So we have to solve it. Solution is. Now here I will write, now if we have to find out here third term because this is not a perfect square. So that for finding out the third term, now if we take here x square plus twice x plus k is equals to x plus y bracket square. Here is first term, middle term, second term is plus sign, so take here x plus y. Then squaring this we get x square plus twice x plus k is equals to x square plus twice xy plus y square. Comparing both sides we get. Comparing both sides we get. Now here we write x square is x square, then twice x is equals to twice xy and k is equals to y square. Now this twice x goes to another side, convert as denominator is equals to y. Therefore 1 is equals to y, means that y is equals to 1. Now y is equal to 1 when we substitute this value here, therefore k is equals to 1 square is equals to 1. Means this, therefore this value, which one is x square plus twice x plus k is how much? 1, is a perfect square trinomial. Means that we can solve this equation by using factorization method also. Means this is the completing square method. Now we use this for solving this completing square method. The rule is that you have to subtract the value of k and also adding this value of k. Then we write here x square plus twice x minus 5 is equals to 0. Then this equation becomes x square plus twice x plus 1 and minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So that this is same example. Then this first three term is the square of one number. How to find out here? For this, the rule is that in bracket take the square root of the first term, means that x, gives the sign of middle term, means plus, and taking the square root of third term, square root of 1 is 1, its square. Then here is minus 1 and minus 5. We have to subtract here, means that adding these two becomes minus 6 is equals to how much? 0. Then this is the square of one number. This one number is minus root of 6 square is equals to 0. Then this is identity a square minus b square. By using this identity, x plus 1 plus root of 6. Another one is x minus 1, x plus 1 minus root of 6 is equals to 0. Means that a plus b, a minus b. Then if the product of two terms is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Means that x plus 1 plus root of 6 is equals to 0, or x plus 1 minus root of 6 is equals to 0. Transpose this term to this another side, we get that. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 minus root of 6, or x is equals to minus 1 plus root of 6. Means we write this one, minus in bracket 1 plus root of 6, or x is equals to minus, take common here, 1 minus root of 6. Therefore, this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Means that answer in full sentence, minus 1 plus root of 6 and minus 1 minus root of 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation by using completing square method. Let's see the next question. Students, question number 3rd is same as the question first and second. So this is for your homework. We take the question number 4. The question 4 is that 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equals to 0. Student, look here. Now when we comparing this, the value of a is 9. Now for solving this completing square method, we have to convert the coefficient of a is 1. So dividing both sides by 9, we get its solution is dividing both sides by 9, we get. Now when we divide it, we get here 9y square upon 9 minus 12y upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 is equals to 0. When we simplify it, then y square minus, simplify by using 3 4s and 3 3s plus 2 upon 9 is equals to 0. Suppose that this is equation number first. Now this is our original equation here. From this equation we have to convert this. We use this equation to solve these examples. Now finding out the third term, we take here. Now if y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equals to, now here we take here variable y here, then here sign is minus, and take another variable, I suppose that z bracket square. Then squaring this we get y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equals to y square minus twice yz plus z square. By comparing we get, comparing both sides, we get. Now here y square is y square, then minus 4 upon 3y is equals to minus twice yz, and k is equals to how much? Z square. Student, minus minus convert as plus, so that I have to write here 4 upon 3y is equals to twice yz. Then transpose this to another side, 4y upon 3 into twice y is equals to z. This y get cancelled and 2 2s are 4, means that z is equals to 2 upon 3. Therefore, the value of k is equals to 2 upon 3 bracket square, means that k is equals to 4 upon how much? 9. Means that this one is, means y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is 4 upon 9, is a perfect square triangle. Here is 3 terms, so it is triangle. Now then we take the equation. Then from equation first we write here, then from equation first. Equation first is y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equals to 0. Student, look carefully. You have to substitute this and minus 4 upon 3 from this equation, not this equation. Okay. Now, then we write here y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 k minus k means that 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 is equals to 0. Means that they get cancelled, like this is the same as the equation earlier. Now, then we find out its square root of y is y. Use the sign of middle term. Middle term is minus sign. And this is 2 upon 3 bracket square. Then I have to write this one is minus in bracket 4 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9 is equals to 0. Now then we write here y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square minus this is LCM is 9. You have to subtract numerator, means that 2 upon 9 is equals to 0. Then this is the square of y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square minus this is the square of root of 2 upon 3 bracket square is equals to 0. Then we use the identity a square minus b square. This identity is a plus b, means that y minus 2 upon 3 plus root 2 upon 3. Another bracket y minus 2 upon 3 minus root 2 upon 3 bracket square is equals to how much? 0. Mean the product of two term is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. By using this property we write here y minus 2 upon 3 plus root 2 upon 3 is equals to 0, or y minus 2 upon 3 minus root 2 upon 3 is equals to 0. Now then we transpose to this another side, we get that. Therefore y is equals to plus 2 upon 3 minus root 2 upon 3, or y is equals to plus 2 upon 3 plus root 2 upon 3. Can you understand this transposition? This minus convert as plus, plus convert as minus. This minus, plus, and minus also plus. Then taking its LCM, we get that y is equals to this LCM is 3. We have to subtract its numerator 2 root 2, or y is equals to LCM is 3, then 2 plus root of 2. This is the solution of the given quadratic equation by using the completing square method. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer 2 minus root 2 upon 3 and 2 plus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand this? Okay, we see the next question. Let's see the next question, question number 5. Twice y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Solve by using completing square method. Now student, first we have to convert the value of a is 1. So dividing both sides by 2, we get solution dividing both sides of equation by 2. Therefore we write here 2y square upon 2 plus 9y upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 is equals to 0 upon 2 means 0. When we simplify it, we get that y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Student, let this is equation number first. Then now if y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k is equals to, I have to take here variable is first y, gives the sign here plus, and another is suppose that z bracket square. We have to find out this third term for a perfect square. So squaring this bracket we get that y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k is equals to y square plus twice yz plus z square. Comparing both sides we get y square is y square. This value become this one, means that 9 upon 2y is equals to 2yz, or k is equals to how much? Z square. Transpose this 2y to this another side, we get that 9y upon 2 into 2y is equals to z. Then y get cancelled, means that z is equals to 9 upon how much? 4. Means therefore the value of k is z square, means that 9 upon 4 bracket square is equals to 36. So 81 upon how much? 16. 9 square is 81, not 36. This is the value of k. Then we have to replace this value here, the value of k, into this equation. We get that. Therefore, y square plus 9 upon 2y plus k is 81 upon 16 is a perfect square trinomial. Then from equation first is y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. We have to add and subtract this value of k, mean that y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 upon 16 minus 81 upon 16 plus 5 is equals to how much? 0. Then this is the square of one number. How to find out? Taking the square root of the first term is y, gives the sign of the middle term. Then taking the square root of the third term, means that 9 upon 4 bracket square. Then minus sign take here, in bracket 81 upon 16 minus 5, because minus minus plus is equals to 0. Then take its LCM, means that y plus 9 upon 4 bracket square minus the LCM of this is 16. Then here is denominator 1. 1 into 81 is 81 minus 16 5s are 80 is equals to how much? 0. Then y plus 9 upon 4 bracket square minus 1 upon 16 is equals to how much? 0. This is the square of one number. Which one is? Y plus 9 upon 4 bracket square minus, this is square of 1 upon 4 bracket square is equals to 0. We use identity a square minus b square. Means that y plus 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Another bracket y plus 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. Means that a plus b, a minus b. Then if the product of two term is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Therefore I have to write here y plus 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0, or y plus 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 0. Then now this LCM is take as 4, therefore we write here y plus denominator is 4, adding its numerator, means that 9 plus 1 is equals to 0, or here is also y plus LCM is 4, 9 minus 1 is equals to how much? 0. Can you understand this step? Then this becomes y is equals to 10 upon, y plus 10 upon 4 is equals to 0, or y plus 8 upon 4 is equals to 0. 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 minus 1 is 8. Then simplify it, we get that y plus, here is 2 5 are 2 2s are is equals to 0, or y plus 2 is equals to 0. Means we transpose to this another side. Y is equals to minus 5 upon 2, or y is equals to minus 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. We write the answer in full sentence. Answer. Therefore, minus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Can you understand? We see the last example. Last example of the practice set 2.3, the question number 6 is 5x square is equals to 4x plus 7. This is again different one. Now first, for this, we write the equation in standard form. So its solution is, now the standard form is 5x square, this transpose here, minus 4x minus 7 is equals to 0. Then second is, you have to convert the coefficient of a is 1. So dividing both sides by 5. Dividing both sides of equation by 5 we get. I have to directly write here. When we divide it by 5, we get that this is the x square. Then this one is minus 4 upon 5x. This is minus 7 upon 5 is equals to 0. Now, then if this one is x square minus 4 upon 5x plus k is equals to, student, here we have to find out the third term. For solving this by using completing square method, we take as x, here is sign is minus, then take y, bracket square. Here is minus sign, take here minus sign. Then squaring this we get that x square minus 4 upon 5x plus k is equals to x square minus. This is twice xy plus y square by using the identity a minus b bracket square. Comparing both sides, we get, when we compare is x square, then this minus 4 upon 5x is equals to minus twice xy, and k is equals to how much? Y square. This minus convert as plus, so I have to write the next step. 4 upon 5x is equals to twice xy. Then transpose this twice x to this side, we get that 4 upon 5, this is 4 upon 5 means that 4x upon 5 into this twice x is equals to how much? Y. This x's get cancelled, 2 2s are 4. Therefore, the value of y is, here I have to write, the value of y is 2 upon 5 is equals to y, means that y is equals to 2 upon 5. Therefore, k is equals to y square, means that 2 upon 5 square is equals to 4 upon 25. Now we substitute this value here, means therefore x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 is a perfect square trinomial. Okay, then we use this original example. Then we take this one is, suppose that this is equation number first. Then we write here x square minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equals to 0. Here is from equation first. Student, look here, take here the equation which having the coefficient is 1. minus 7 upon 5 is equals to 0. Means there is no change in this equation because this get cancelled. Then this is the square of one number. Which one is taking square root of the first term? Gives the sign of middle term. Taking square root of the last term. Means that 2 upon how much? 5 bracket square. Then we write this one is minus in bracket 4 upon 25 plus 7 upon 5 is equals to 0. Then we write here x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square minus, here is LCM is 25. Now here is 25 present, here is we have to multiply by 5, so we multiply its numerator by also 5, means that 4 plus 7 5s are 35 is equals to how much? 0. Then addition becomes x minus 2 upon 5 bracket square minus, this one is 39 upon 25 is equals to 0. This is the square of which number? X minus 2 upon 5 bracket square minus, this one is root of 39 because 39 is not a square of any number, upon 5 bracket square is equals to 0. Then this is an identity, a square minus b square, means that a plus b. So I have to write here a plus b, means that x minus 2 upon 5 plus root of 39 upon 5. Another bracket, x minus 2 upon 5 minus root of 39 upon 5 is equals to 0. Student, we know that if the product of two term is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. So I have to take here, or also write first step here. Therefore, x minus 2 upon 5 plus root of 39 upon 5 is equals to 0, or it is x minus 2 upon 5 minus root of 39 upon 5 is equals to 0. Then transpose to this another side, we get that. Therefore, x is equals to this minus convert as plus, means that 2 upon 5. This plus convert as minus, minus root of 39 upon 5. Or this x is equals to minus transpose here convert as plus. This minus convert as again plus root of 39 upon 5. Then here is denominator is same, so LCM is 5. We have to adding its numerator and here is subtracting. Or x is equals to LCM is 5. We have to adding its numerator. This is the solution of given quadratic equation. So write the answer in full sentence. Answer 2 minus root of 39 upon 5 and 2 plus root of 39 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Student, this is our completing square method. Very important and ask in your examination. Now in this, first you have to convert this as in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then convert the coefficient of a is 1. This is important thing, and compare with this quadratic equations. Then we have to solve this by using the completing square method. Can you understand this? Okay, thank you very much.